So the game plan is we're gonna make a case of concrete using tinfoil around this iPhone 10. No clue if it's gonna survive. This is a really tough one to call. I think it will survive because concrete is just, it's too strong for the bear trap, I think. See what happens. What do you think? Is 1-inch concrete on either side of the phone capable of protecting this iPhone 10 from this ridiculous bear trap? Post your opinion in the top right. Brand new iPhone 10. Oh, yes. Hi, Mr. Luballs. Hey. What is this? Wait, what is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? You're gonna help us make this? Okay, here goes the iPhone. Oh my god. We've got about 1 inch all the way around. We got a little dugout here so we can still turn the phone on and off. There it is, check it out. That looks so sick.
That looks tight. Can we peel it away?
Yes, peel it away. Let's try this. I felt it click in. It's on. This is exactly how I envisioned this test. The only tricky part now is how are we gonna dangle it over the bear trap? Let's try to rig up a way to put this in the bear trap.
Word.
Got some duct tape. Let's go ahead and see what we can make happen here.
All right.
All right, time to prep the bear trap. So the way this bear trap works is these two giant springs compress down and then are held in place by this lever here. And when the center plate is depressed, the two jaws will just go wham! Super powerfully, super hard. It's annihilated just about everything we've put in the bear trap so far. It's super gnarly, super dangerous. Don't do this at home. All right, whoa, oh my God. All right, Darren, start loosening your thing now. Nice. Sweet. Okay, we're letting go. In 3, 2, 1. Whew. And I can't forget the mega giveaway going on right now. The prizes are a Razer Blade Pro, an iPhone 10, and an awesome electric skateboard. I'll have a link in the top pinned comment down below if you'd like to enter that giveaway. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Holy crap! Did it stop it? It actually looks like the iPhone's okay. Okay, depressing the bear trap trigger. Here we go. Oh, here comes those teeth. Bam! We got chunks and we got rocks flying left and right. And then of course, that iPhone barely lives.
You know what's surprising
Holy
about
crap.
this too? Like, I think it's the teeth that actually saved it.
Yeah, because the one on the right is like, it like wedged itself in between the two teeth. Like here's the tooth on one side and here's the tooth on the other side, and it's wedging itself right there, preventing the trap jaws from closing all the way. And also preventing it from rotating and then clamping again.
That's the primary thing. I think the teeth kept it from rotating, which was the biggest thing I thought was going to destroy it. Like, I didn't think there was any way this thing wasn't going to just, like, the continued pressure, just twist it and continue to clamp down.
Well, let's go ahead and take a look at this iPhone 10 and see if we can get it out of the bear trap. Operation Save This iPhone! Okay, my side. It's free. It's free! How do we get the iPhone out? Cement can be pretty brittle when it's thin.
You should just put it through this again.
Oh God. Now the trick is, getting it out of here is dangerous. Because to break the concrete to get the iPhone out, we might be breaking the phone in the process pretty easily enough. So, I don't know. I'm gonna try just dropping it. Actually, let's see what happens.
Well, you should let me film it, but there you go. That worked perfectly.
Wow. Thanks so much to the user, I can't remember their name right now, but I'll post a comment up here, who recommended testing the bear trap with a cement case. Very interesting idea. So basically, if we want to prevent stepping and bear trap damage, we just need to have cement overalls.
Cement overalls. That sounds entirely practical.
Entirely practical, dude. Looks like the vibration switch is cemented.
Literally.
It's literally cemented in one direction. Not sure if that lightning port's gonna work or not, but maybe.
Maybe. Maybe.
And then of course the speaker grills have quite a bit of cement on them as well. Let's go get this thing cleaned off. Okay, wow, it's coming pretty clean, but there's definitely a lot of residue left on it. The lighting port might actually be functional, we'll have to see. Well, there you go. This iPhone is in superb condition, except for some residue that the cement seemed to leave on the chrome part of it. You can see residue type thing along the edges here. I can't seem to get it to clear off. It might have been part of the cement mixture just damaging the chrome embellishment. I don't know.
Yeah, not completely untouched, but that's still pretty impressive.
I'm a fan. Cement does a pretty good job protecting things. Maybe we should do another cement drop test some point. I don't know. Learned something today? No one knew if that would work. We know now.
We know now.
We know now. We now know the way. We now know the way to resist the bear trap.
That meme will never die.
Dead memes cannot die. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Brandon and Darren out.
Woo!
Woo! Trained him.
By throwing things at me on repeat until I say woo. My life is basically Brandon, like...
It's survival skills. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, the first time that I'm randomly gonna get punched in the face on the street and I dodge backwards because I've had him throw so many things at me.
Yeah, or someone takes a shot at you, all right? They shoot a bullet at you and you just like dodge that.
I dodge the bullet, just anime style.
You matrix it, you know?
I'm just Neo.
You know, you're just matrixing it everywhere. You'll be just fine. Guaranteed. You have the GizmoSlip guarantee.